We will now do a short demonstration of our 1000 kilo manual lifting crane. In this case it's mounted to a Toyota Hi-Lux crew cab. This crane comes with a hydraulic jack cylinder, and it also comes with a ratchet system for cable. This crane can rotate 360 degrees, and in this case left to right. It's important to note, on the back left hand corner we have a timber log fitted underneath the bumper of the Jeep just to stabilise it while lifting. This crane is very useful to planter people, landscapers, farmers, general purpose, etc. This crane comes with 12 months manufacturer's warranty and it is CE approved. For more information go to Hartnett Trailers or hartnettproducts.ie.